this is so amazing. Hilda Baci breaks Guinness Book World Record for the longest cooking time for an individual. Nigerian chef Hilda Baci of My Food by Hilda breaks world record and becomes the only chef with the longest cooking record of 4 days. Hilda Effiong Baci, popularly known as Chef Baci, is a foodpreneur, an actress, TV presenter, who, as we recall, embarked on a 4 days Cookathon challenge to break Guinness World Records of longest cooking, which has been a title held by an Indian chef named Lata Tondon, who held the world's longest cooking marathon, and she completed the task in 87 hours 45 minutes in Rewa, India in August 2019. But now Hilda Baci has broken that record. In fact, she's currently on 94 hours counting.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Hilda, the 27-year-old Nigerian graduate who holds this title, set up a 4-day Cookathon at Amor Gardens, Lekki, Lagos. As at the time of filming this, she had cooked over 150 dishes and she had served over 3,000 people. Within this period, she has gained massive support from Nigerians and Nigerian celebrities who were with her all through the 4 days, offline and online, cheering her massively. Nigerian politicians were seen supporting her as well. The current Lagos State Governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, was there to support her also. He was there to boost her morale, and in his words, he made a remarkable statement, and he said, whatever it is you believe in, whatever it is you want to do, don't give up. Be self-motivated and be a self-starter. And of course, the world will be waiting. Hilda Baci is no stranger to breaking records, as she won the maiden edition of the Jollof Face-Off competition held back in August 2021. Also, has been an awardee of the Unsung Heroes Award. The current Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Osibanjo, also placed a call through to her during the exercise as well to pour in his encouragement. I am truly proud to be a Nigerian. Nigerians came out massively to show support. You could see children dancing, you could see celebrities. They broke the internet literally with pictures, shares. The internet was on a standstill for Hilda Baci. As you can see here, she was really tired and almost giving up, but she had this chef supporting her all through the way. This is a story of perseverance, resilience, strong will, capacity, support, teamwork, the ability to push the limits to inspire others. It's also a story of planning and thinking of achieving something, working towards it, and making it a reality. This story should inspire every single individual out there to dream and work towards it.
Well done. They're almost done.
The story of Hilda Baci also goes a long way to show us the power of teamwork. There was an influx of Nigerians at the venue. Different people, they were there supporting her. Even when she was giving up, they were cheering her on, and this went a long way to helping her succeed. She also had her mom and her family members there to support her. There is power in teamwork.
3, 2, 1. See what side first. I'm going this side. Let's see what.
Hi, we're here to support Hilda. She's one of our own, and we're here. Testimony of grace, aka this is what God has done that I just know that, right? Yes, so grace.
Indeed, Hilda Baci has set the pace at world standard and has set Nigeria on the map of countries with such a great achievement. We are proud of you, Hilda Baci, and this, I believe, this story should inspire everyone out there to dream big and go for their dreams. Of course, her story is also a story of grace, God in the race. I saw her praying, and especially when she won, I saw her praying. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be the first to know. On this channel, I share videos on food, cakes, and food business.
Record breaker.
56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, what are your thoughts on Hilda Baci's new record?